Hola, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. We're doing an impromptu video today. I just got out of work doing a compressor change out. We have HVAC nights in a bit that I got to get ready for. But when I got here, I have a whole bunch of shit from Milwaukee. So I bought my own stuff. I have old Milwaukee stuff. Let's see, I think I got all Packout stuff this time because the goal here, I'm probably gonna keep these crates, even though this other manufacturer never made floor mounts. So they're just bungeed in. Maybe eventually I'll go back to Milwaukee, but that tower and maybe that tower, or these two might stay. But this side, I need to go Packout again for just ease of access to where I can get in and get out. I also want to do the garage Packout system. I was told I couldn't get, or they weren't able to get the system that I wanted. It's a cabinet, but I saw Home Depot has some. I might just go buy that one. I'm not greedy. Like, I'm not ever going to buy Milwaukee. Like, I'm still going to buy some stuff, but you know, whatever they send me, I greatly appreciate it. Some of the stuff might be really great for my dad. So I don't remember if I've ever seen this one. This is the deep storage with the clear top. So I do have one that I'm going to change over to this because, like I said, it's all going to be in Milwaukee on this side for now. And I need one for plumbing. I might keep my electrical separate unless it fits in here. But on the old one, I think I had half electrical fittings, like conduit connections and all that. All the seal tight, and then the P-traps, primer and glue and all that for when we do installs or just drain repairs. That's what I needed this one for. Extra large Packout. This is for the garage, so just needed a tool chest. Oh, we got more of the deep ones. This is what I was excited for. We'll leave it last. And then the super slim ones, another parts organizer. Basically, I'm gonna have these two together. If you see my van tour, you already know where I'm going with this. Plumbing, conduit stuff, and then all my electrical connections, wiring stuff that I do repairs or run wire with is in the slim one. So I got a whole bunch of those. This one I never understood. Jesus, that is bigger than I thought. Holy cow, dude. I was gonna say my dad might use this one, but geez. Oh, got it the wrong way. Like, what do you guys use this for? As big as me. I can fit in here. So, yeah, I'm not sure what I'll use it for. I didn't ask for this one. Another tool chest. I was gonna give it to my dad, but geez, I think that's too big. I don't want him to hurt himself. All right, enough of the Packouts. We have what I asked for. Speaker. God. Upside down. Fuck. We'll put one of the cheapies in. Let's see. It's an M18 Radio. So you have volume on your phone. You got to turn it all the way up. All right, guys, so I appreciate you all watching the video. This is what I was personally waiting for, the M18 Packout radio. So it says it can charge. So you got a plug on this side. Shows you the battery indicator right there. I'll try and show it in darker areas where you can see the lights. You got the M18 that goes on the side. You have the port where you can charge up a phone or any device like that. You also have an aux cable if you want to go about it that way and just leave your phone in that compartment right there. And like I said, you have that plug on this side with a bottle opener as well. And this does actual radio if you guys still listen to the radio, or you can connect through Bluetooth. So like I said, appreciate you guys. Milwaukee does not pay for this video whatsoever, or any sponsorship or anything like that, or my opinion. These are just things that I review and they send out, and every now and then a box shows up. So they're helping me fix up the van, fix up the garage. Thanks again, Milwaukee. See you guys.